guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natoya and I just wanted to do a quick little video for you guys. So I picked up some stuff. I purchased this with my own money and we will get right into the Zara website because I was looking for some of their sale items and it turned out that nothing that they had interests me. It either didn't fit me or I didn't like the color or whatever. So I went off into the accessory section because I've always loved their accessories. And then I found a little surprise. And then I'm like, what? Zara makes lipsticks? I knew they had perfumes, but I didn't know they had lipsticks. So I purchased some just to try them out. So this is the package that I bought. This is the box it came in. And I want to show you literally, that's it. That is all I bought. This big old box for those 3 things. So like most people on YouTube, because after I went and I saw that they had lipsticks, I searched it on YouTube and it looks like a few of you already know this. But like most people, I did not know Zara had lipsticks. So I purchased their Ultimate Trio and their Gardenia with a shiny lipstick. And now, for full disclosure, I did not know this was a perfume and a lipstick. I thought it was like a lipstick and then like something that works in conjunction with the lipstick. But again, also it was like 3 a.m. and I had no business shopping online, but here I was buying lipsticks. Anyways, the Ultimate Trio looks like that. And it has 3 lipsticks like this, and the retail price of this is $29. Can you guys see that? $29. And then this is the Zara Gardenia and Shiny Liquid Lipsticks. It looks like this, comes in this box. And in all honesty, I haven't tampered with this packaging in any way, so let's open it up and be surprised together. So you open it up, comes out, looks like that. This is the trio of lipsticks, and in the trio of lipstick you have number 1, which is called Ultimatte. I'll put the names here. So this one comes in this little package like this. It's really sleek. You can just pop it, and it's called, this one's called Ultimatte. They are sweating a little bit, just a little Jacqueline Hill situation going on, but it's just sweating because it's summer and it's like really hot outside. I hope. Oh, sorry, they're all called Ultimatte. So this is Ultimatte 1 and this is Ultimatte 3. Looks a little something like this, and this is Ultimatte 11. So, all right, so these are the 3 lipsticks. They'll go something like that, and they smell kind of like candy. So this is Gardenia. Looks a little something like that. Smells a little like candy. Excuse me. Okay. So it has like a, smells a little bit sweet with undertones of musky flowers. And I have to be totally honest, I don't wear perfume. I don't know why I purchased this. I don't like fragrances. I don't like to smell like anything. And yeah. So it's not bad. It's just, it's actually not a bad scent. It really, I keep smelling my arm because it flowed down on my arm. It's not a bad scent. It's just really scenty for, and I mean, it's a perfume. It's supposed to be scenty. It's just really strong, so a little bit would go a long way. And it's nice. It's a nice musky floral scent. Probably would be great for fall winter. And then there's this guy that came in that same package. Looks a little something like this. It says Zara Shine. And you open it up. It's called Shiny Liquid Lipstick. It looks like that. And it doesn't smell like anything. So I'm going to quickly do a little wear test for you guys and show you how lipsticks look. So my overall verdict is the lipsticks were really creamy and they glided on really nicely, but I can't see them lasting throughout the day. Like, you'd constantly have to reapply because the formula has a lot of slip to it. I really do love the Zara liquid lipstick, but the doe foot on the applicator is so flimsy. It just kind of flops around, and that makes it really, takes a lot more time to apply it to your lips. I mean, it's not a huge deal breaker, but take for instance an Almay, which is a drugstore brand doe foot, where it's a little bit firmer and it just glides on easily rather than kind of flopping around. So that was a huge like no for me. But other than that, I do love the color. I do love the pigmentation. It's rich, it's creamy, and looks gorgeous. I'd like to try some of the different colors. I saw that in the shade range of the lipstick that they really try to be inclusive of all skin types and shades and various people, you know, so I appreciate the line for that. Yeah, like I said, amazing creamy formulas, but probably won't last throughout the day for the lipsticks. And I mean, Zara is not known for cosmetics, they're known for clothing, so maybe it's just like a slight oversight on their part. And I wish they just really fixed that doe foot on the shiny lipstick applicator. Other than that, I really do like them. I can't wait to actually wear one of the lipsticks with like a lip liner and really do it up, because I think it's just gonna look so pretty. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'm just gonna call this another honest review with Natoya. Thanks for watching. Bye.